Hello, all. Milk is a very essential good for all of us. Today, I will be talking about the changes in milk packaging over the years. Let's have a look at the timeline. We first had the metal cans, followed by the glass bottles, the HDPE bottles, the milk pouch, the PET bottles, the Tetra packs, the vending machines, and our future, casein. Let's go into the past. Metal cans. The Europeans started using metal cans in 1860 because it could store a large amount of milk and it was durable. However, it took a lot of space and volume and it was very heavy. Also, the milk stored was fresh milk and it was not pasteurized. In 1884, Dr. Thatcher invented the glass bottle. It could be sealed, it was inert to chemical substances, and it was reusable. However, the nature of glass was fragile, and the nutritional value of the milk was affected due to oxidation. In 1963, Walter R. Bart created HDPE plastic bottles, or high density polyethylene plastic bottles. The positives were that it was inexpensive, it proved to be a superior moisture barrier, and it had high tensile strength. The negatives were that in the presence of high temperatures, antimony could leach into the product. What about the present methods of packaging? We have the milk pouch. The milk pouch is cheap, it occupies less volume, and it is pasteurized and it comes in different varieties. The negatives are that it is non-sealable, it is not recyclable, and the risk of adulteration is there. Also, BPA could be released if the pouch is exposed to sunlight. BPA is chemical bisphenol A that disrupts hormones. PET bottles. PET bottle stands for polyethylene terephthalate. It is durable, sealable, cost-effective, food grade, and flexible. It can be molded into any shape. The negatives are that it lacks longevity, the material is affected by light, scratching, or denting. Reusing leads to leaching of harmful chemicals, and if it is not recycled, it causes a lot of pollution. This led to the creation of the Tetra Pak. The milk in the Tetra Pak goes under the UHT process. UHT stands for ultra high temperature. In this technique, the milk is heated to an intense temperature of 135 to 137 degrees Celsius for 4 seconds and then immediately cool down to 20 degrees Celsius. This kills the harmful bacteria and sterilizes the milk while retaining the nutrient content of the milk. Tetra Pak is made up of 5% paperboard, 20% polyethylene, and 5% aluminium. Together, this 6-layered armor protects the contents from light, oxygen, air, dirt, and moisture. Negatives of Tetra Pak are that it is having a high cost, it depletes aluminium, and it cannot be reused. Vending machines are automated machines and they operate 24/7. They are located in convenient locations and they have a nitrogen chamber for hygiene purposes. Also, after the milk is dispensed, ultraviolet rays are passed to sanitize the surface, ensuring hygiene. The negatives are it has a high cost because of the irregular supply of electricity, the promotion methods are tough to adopt, and people conventionally prefer other packages. So, what about the future? The future lies with casein. Casein is a milk protein. It was developed by researchers Peggy Tomasilla and her colleagues at the US Department of Agriculture. It is 500 times better than plastic and can even be edible. It can be sprayed on food to prevent the food from becoming soggy. Casein has not yet had any negatives since it has not yet come up properly in the industry. To conclude, the evolution of packaging will continue, and as the changes in science and technology take place, we need to find more sustainable methods of packaging to protect our environment. As far as now, casein seems to be the future of the dairy industry. Thank you.